Next question. Good evening. Speaking to the mic.
So you spoke to several, you identified several plants that were cultivated. I was expecting to hear a little bit more about the plants that we should be eating. You spoke to history. Oh, you spoke to, originally when you began, you mentioned history, so I was expecting to get a little bit more information. But on an average day, what is your diet like?
My diet. When I wake up in the morning,
the question is asked, on the average, what is my diet, my daily diet? I never have breakfast. Never eat breakfast. My wife would have a mug of sea moss. Now, I'm going to go slow with this one, because this is very important. My wife would take the hemp seed, Jamal sells the hemp seed. You take the hemp seeds and you put them in a blender with warm water, and you blend it up, turns to milk. It's a very nutritious milk. Hemp seed milk. You would have already boiled the sea moss for about 20 or 30 minutes. And then you combine them in the blender. The sea moss now with the hemp seed milk, and you put a little bit of vanilla, and you sweeten it with some agave nectar, not sugar. Because if you put sugar in the milk and the sea moss, you have just adulterated it. Because sugar is cyanide, not the agave nectar. That's why the agave nectar is the only bottle that's claimed a sweetener that is glucose free. You read the bottle, it says glucose free. Anything that is glucose free is alkaline. Anything that has glucose is acid. So yes, we're changing.